What's up guys? I am Jolina and I'm presenting you now my first aid kit. And here is my first aid kit. And as we all know that it is impossible to predict when will an accident happen to any various areas or in a workplace. A first aid kit contains emergency supplies and medication for unexpected minor illnesses or accidents. So during an emergency situation, it is all too easy to become confused or disoriented. So here are the 5 main aims of first aid kits. So the first one is to preserve life. The second one, prevent the escalation of illness or injury. The third one is to promote recovery. Fourth one, pain relief. And lastly, to protect the unconscious. So, what should be in a first aid kit? So, what are the items that are to be found in this first aid kit? Let's find out. So guys, we have first aid manual. We also have flashlight. This gauze bandages. Candles, latex gloves, safety pins. We have also adhesive bandages, cotton balls, tweezers here inside, and many more. So first one guys is we have first aid manual. So this guide should be studied before a crisis arises, and everyone with access to the kit should know the basics of first aid. So this adhesive bandage guys will be used to protect the wound and scab from friction, bacteria damage and dirt. While this gauze bandage, it will be used to immobilize injured body parts, to provide pressure, to control internal and external bleeding, absorb drainage, and secure dressings. So guys, we also have antibiotic ointment. It helps prevent infection in minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. Remember to always check for the expiration date before using it. We have latex gloves. So as we can see, it is made up of rubber, and it has been known to cause some allergies. So latex-free gloves are recommended for those with latex sensitivities or allergies. These we have safety pins. This has a number of uses in first aid. It can be used to immobilize an arm by pinning the cut off a long sleeve shirt to its chest to fashion a makeshift arm sling. So we have tweezers. So tweezers are used for removing any foreign objects from a cut or for splinters. Cotton balls. Okay, for medical purposes, cotton balls are used to stop or prevent bleeding from minor injuries, punctures, such as injections or venipuncture. We also have flashlight. The primary purpose of a flashlight is to provide you light in darkness. We have candles and a match. Candles can provide an additional steady source of light, but should be carefully monitored to prevent fire. Next is we have also scissors. It may be necessary to cut tape, clothing, or bandages in emergency situations. Surgical scissors will cut tape cleanly and quickly. So we have also antibiotic ointment. It helps prevent infection in minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. So we have also hand sanitizer, a key ingredient of any first aid kit. When you don't have easy access to soap and water, you can fight infection by using an alcohol-based sanitizer to clean your hands before and after treating injuries. Always check the kits regularly every 3 months. Replace missing items or medicines that may have expired and make sure the flashlight batteries work. Okay, that's for today guys. God bless!